Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a brand new unboxing video for you, and right after that we'll jump straight into a hands-on test. I'm glad to have you back and I hope you enjoy watching. Inside the package you will find a variety of parts. This is a main mount which is compatible with any TQi transmitter. The phone holder itself is easy to slide and adjust, and it's coated with a non-slip surface to keep your phone securely in place. Here's another mount included in the package, and we'll quickly go through the instructions. Everything is clearly and simply explained, so installing the mount shouldn't be a big deal. This second mount is actually designed for gamepads, a great extra accessory even if I might not use it right away. All adjustment options are explained in detail in the manual. Now we are attaching the rubber pad. For that, I've given the surface once the surface is clean, take the pad on. Alright. Installing the mount is really simple. It clicks into place right away. All that's left is to tighten the screws. Okay, and for the first test I will be using my old smartphone. The camera is free, just make sure the transmitter doesn't show in your video later. The mount feels solid and reliable at the first look. The phone sits firmly and securely in place. Now let's head outside and see how it performs in a real test. If you like my videos, please share, like, subscribe, whatever you want, feel free. I hope you enjoyed and have fun watching.